Welcome to this tutorial on how to reactivate your Afterpay account. Afterpay is a popular payment service that allows you to buy now and pay later. If your account has been deactivated, do not worry, as reactivating it is a simple process. First, you need to understand why your account was deactivated. Afterpay may deactivate your account due to missed payments, incorrect information, or security concerns. To reactivate your account, start by logging in to your Afterpay account using your email address and password. If you have forgotten your password, you can reset it by clicking on the Forgot Password link. Once you have logged in, you will see a message indicating that your account has been deactivated. Click on the Reactivate Account button to start the reactivation process. You will be prompted to update your payment information and confirm your identity. Make sure your payment information is up to date and accurate to avoid any issues with future payments. Next, you will need to agree to the terms and conditions of Afterpay. This includes acknowledging that you are aware of the payment schedule and the fees associated with late payments. It is essential to read and understand the terms and conditions before proceeding. Afterpay may also request additional information to verify your identity. This is a security measure to protect your account and prevent unauthorized access. You may be asked to provide identification documents, such as a driver's license or passport, and proof of address. Once you have completed the reactivation process, your account will be reviewed and approved by Afterpay. This may take a few hours or days, depending on the reason for deactivation. You will receive an email notification once your account has been reactivated. To avoid having your account deactivated in the future, make sure to keep your payment information up to date, make timely payments, and monitor your account activity regularly. It is also essential to keep your contact information current, including your email address and phone number, so you can receive important notifications from Afterpay. By following these steps, you can easily reactivate your Afterpay account and continue to use the service. Remember to always review the terms and conditions and keep your account information up to date to avoid any issues.